Transferring your finances to another financial institution sounds like a big ordeal. We totally get it. I'm here to tell you it's not as difficult as you might think. We've broken it down into just 4 steps, hoping to show you how easy it can be. Step 1, open your account with us. You can choose from a variety of our free checking and savings accounts depending on your wants and needs. This makes your membership unique to you. Step 2, switch your direct deposit and automatic payments over to your new Canopy Credit Union account. If you have multiple bills being paid at your other financial institution, you can bring in a list of all those bills, and one of our member advocates can set it all up for you through our bill pay system. Step 3, close your old account. To ensure this goes smoothly, we recommend waiting a full bill cycle to make sure your deposits and withdrawals have been successfully transferred to your new Canopy account. Step 4, start using your new Canopy Credit Union card. You can maximize your rewards by using your Canopy credit and debit cards regularly. See, it's that easy, and we'll be here every step of the way. We look forward to providing exceptional personal service to you. We are Canopy Credit Union, and here you grow.